Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I don't know what we're gonna do. Not sure what I'm in the mood for. So as you can tell, today we are doing another Halloween look. I will be doing a Halloween look every single day for the month of October. If you want to catch all of those, please go check out my Instagram. I will link my socials down below. But if you want to see how this situation just happened, keep on watching. Okay, for today's look, I am going to be using this JEFFREE Star Thirsty palette, which is gorgeous. And you know what? I typically would use these shades and these shades, but for this, I want to use this shade, and then probably a little touch of this shade right here. And just make it a nice, blendy, bronzy looking cat eye, basically. So let's go ahead and get started. So we've got some liner on. Now just take your time, play with it. As long as you stay with the rules of up and out, you'll be okay. Just don't go down. I don't know what kind of tiger that would be, but probably not a cute one. And we're gonna smoke out this line here that we have. So if it's not perfect, if it's not perfectly straight, don't worry about it, because we're going to go in with a tiny little brush and smoke out that line with some black eyeshadow anyways, so don't get too upset. So I'm using the white eyeliner to basically just try and open up the eye a little bit, make it a little bit thicker looking. Now that I've got that on, I can go in with my black liner and fill in my inner corner. Now I'm not using a liquid liner for this, I'm using just a regular pencil liner. We want to make the top black line and the bottom black line meet. Again, going in with the pencil. I don't want liquid liner in my eyeball. I've done that before. She stings, let me tell you. Now, all sides are connected. Meow. Right now I want to do a nice gold kind of highlight in my brow bone. I don't know, hopefully you can see it. I think the last thing for the eyes is the black eyeshadow. Alright you guys, I'm going to do the other eye real quick and then we'll come back and do the face. Alright you guys, I am back and looking a little strange, but I feel like it will come together. Let's stay positive, please. do some of my black detailing, I am going to be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick in the shade Shady Witch. I love that name, it's so cool. I feel so bad. Oh, it tickles. To attempt to make a cat mouth. Ooh, that was not too bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go over that with my liquid liner. I'm gonna let that dry. While I do that, I'm going to do some whiskers. Go put my lashes on off camera, and then all we have left to do is the forehead, and then we're done. All right, you guys, we are coming into the final stretch of this look. I'm going to do a mauvey nude on the bottom. I'm going to take a little tiny bit of a new Wet n Wild catsuit lipstick that I just got in Satin Sheets. Okay, so the final touch is the forehead. And I don't know, like, let's just go for it. And now the piece de resistance. I don't know how you say that. Piece de resistance. Pizza. Blah, blah, blah. Makes me want pizza. We are going to go in with Glitter Goals by NYX in the shade Industrial Beam. Alright, you guys, that completes this tutorial. Hello Kitty says meow. It feels like, I don't know, a cheetah / lion. I'm not sure, but I love it. Meow. Hi, Lizzie. Well, I am absolutely loving this look. I think it came out really great. It was super simple, and like, how freaking cute is this, right? Keep looking in the mirror, sorry, because I'm like, who am I? I did that last night when I did my Facebook Live and I turned myself into a creepy doll. I just kept looking at myself like, who are you? Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I hope I see you next time. I will be posting every Tuesday and Friday, and this month they will all be Halloween looks. And if you want to see every day my new look, go ahead over to my Instagram and check it out. I'm linking everything down below. So please, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, do whatever you want, because I am just living for makeup right now. This is so much fun. Happy Halloween, happy October, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye!